Three advanced helicopters from the United States government arrived in the island today as part of the relief and recovery efforts. As Jamaica Maitland reports, it's the first of several humanitarian aid following Hurricane Melissa.
U.S. soldiers arriving at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston on Friday on the CH-47 Chinook. It's a heavy-duty multi-mission helicopter that carries cargo and transports troops, but it also helps in search and rescue, casualty evacuation, humanitarian and disaster relief, among other things. Scott Renner is chargé d'affaires at the U.S. Embassy.
Behind me is one of the examples of that. These are very large lift helicopters, up to 11,000 pounds they can carry, and they're going to be working shoulder to shoulder with the JDF to get supplies out to the Jamaican people who we know are in desperate need.
Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz said the U.S. government has committed to providing 5 more helicopters.
This is 3 of 8. We're hoping that by tomorrow the balance will be here, if not latest the weekend. And of course these 3 will be out to work tomorrow morning. I've been assured by the charge that tomorrow morning, in conjunction with the Jamaica Defense Force, they'll be taking supplies down for distribution, widespread distribution to all the affected communities in Western Jamaica.
Minister Vaz says transportation by land is difficult because some roads are still impassable, and so traveling by air is the best option now. The issue is that there are not enough helicopters available locally. Minister Vaz, who is co-chair of the recently established Relief and Recovery Committee announced by Cabinet, revealed that some private and charitable organizations have committed to assisting the government in this regard. As to how soon government aid will start reaching those impacted, he wasn't able to say, only that they're working as fast as they can.
We understand the frustration, we understand the anxiety and the suffering from a catastrophic hurricane category 5, and we just want to say we understand, and we definitely are doing everything in our power to respond as quickly as possible.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.